Hey everyone, today I've got a quick Google Docs tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to add an interactive map location or a smart chip right here in Google Docs. This is super handy. You've got text that you click on and it opens up a map right within Google Docs. Great for if you're setting a meeting or maybe having a party in a park. You can have that right in your document. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now the first thing we need to do is select where we would like our interactive map location to be in our document. So I'm going to put mine here on a new line. So just click there so your cursor's where you'd like that text to go. Then from there, we're going to head up to the very top left-hand corner and you'll see the insert option. Go ahead and left click on that with your mouse. You can hover down and there's an option here that says Smart Chips. When you're hovering over that, you can go off to the right and then down and you'll see the option that says Place. So if you select that, it's going to ask us to type in or type to search for places. So we can start typing wherever we'd like to go. Maybe we're going to a baseball game at the Dodger Stadium. So just start typing that in. There it is right there. We can go ahead and select that. So pretty much anything should come up in here. We'll just go ahead and select that. And you can see now there's the pin and it says Dodger Stadium. But watch what happens when I hover over it. It gives us a pop-up so you can see exactly where that's located. You can copy it. You can get directions or you can expand it. So if I left click on this, it's going to pop up over here on the right hand side. We can look at photos. Again, we can get directions. We can even open it up fully in Google Maps. So if I click open up in Maps here, it's going to open it up in a new tab and we can scroll out and see where it's located. It's a great feature to add right here in Google Docs for interactive maps. So hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.